Hello friends, now I am going to start to discuss with you immediate reasons. Understand, there were many reasons we have already earlier understood, but the actual reason behind rising of anger and disappointment against Britishers use of Enfield rifle and their bullets. The actual reason was, see, any big blast cannot become in a one moment. Some moment, sometime we feel that it's a very small thing, but when such small things in a big numbers are connected with each other at one time, that create a big blast. So the earlier reasons which we have discussed were, and now this one is the immediate reason. So carefully listen, understand and read the note of this immediate reason, that the Enfield rifle was included in the British Army in 1857 January. But the problem started when the cartridge of this rifle came in use. It was required to be bitten off before using it by teeth and mouth to tear up the cover. This cartridge was greased with fat of cow and pig. So now see, again I repeat, the cartridge was covered up with the fat of cow and pig, and before using this cartridge the cartridge was required to be teared up the cover. So as we are discussing about different religion, for Hindus cows are holy, for Muslims pork are prohibited. Pork means meat of pig and beef means meat of cow. So both are prohibited. First is a holy and second is a untouchable. So in that situation, the problem start when these fat enter in the mouth of the person. Both religious soldiers, when they heard, they became angry. They went to ask the clarification, but the exact clarification was not given. And the soldiers started to understand that Britishers deliberately want to destroy their religion or the desanctify their religion. In that situation, 19th Battalion of British Army in Barrackpore was the first to refuse the use of that cartridge, and as the result entire battalion was disbanded. See, Britishers were not allowed any kind of opposition, and here the army battalion started the opposition. It was completely unacceptable, and Britishers disbanded the battalion, that now they are not in job. So here it created another anger. So now you understand that on one side Britishers trying to control the soldiers, on other side they were not satisfying the queries of the soldiers. So in all the way the soldiers became angry on Britishers. Here the actual incident occurred when one soldier, the Brahmin soldier Mangal Pandey, decided to oppose the use of cartridge. He was originally born Brahmin, a village named Nagwa of Uttar Pradesh. He joined army with his salary of 7 rupees. In those days, the soldiers were getting salary of 7 rupees. The Indian soldiers were getting salary of 7 rupees. The plan was, see, there were so many reasons for anger, but the plan was made that to a 31st May will be the day when the actual revolt will start. But as Mangal Pandey heard the use of this cartridge, his Brahmin blood was more angry. He could not wait and he refused to use the rifle. At that time, he challenged British officers also. Sergeant Howson ordered to arrest him. On other side, Mangal Pandey shot him. So now you see the situation. Mangal Pandey decided to not to obey, not to be controlled. Even though lots of the pressure started to come from the British army, he again defeated another British officer. So in that way, there was biggest blow in the British army between Indian and British soldier. Other Indian soldiers denied to arrest Mangal Pandey. British soldiers started to corner him from one side to another side. Being shot fired by British soldier, Mangal Pandey also injured. The bleeding started and Mangal Pandey was taken to the nearby hospital. And sometimes the question may come that why the Britishers kept him alive? Because Britishers wanted to get the information about what the other soldiers, other Indian soldiers plan, but they did not get it. Here, military court was set. They had made a case against Mangal Pandey. See, now dates are important. 6th April 1857, the case against Mangal Pandey started. The procedure of the court case was complete in the English, and you understand that in those days all Indian soldiers were unable to understand English better. So here he was actually, as per the plan, declared as the criminal and sentenced to death. At the end, he not divulged any information. That is the greatness, that even though lots of the torture, he not informed about revolt. So in that way, he sacrificed himself, because as the Brahmin, as the Indian, he was now against British army. He was fighting against British army. That is the important point, what I mean to say. And he became the first martyr of revolt of 1857, because he was hanged in the early morning 5:30 on 8th April. See, when the case started, I told 6th April, when he was being hanged, 8th April. So just it was a pretending, just a drama, because everything was decided and he was hanged. So he became the first martyr. So now you understand how Mangal Pandey sacrificed himself. On other side, as the Britishers killed Mangal Pandey and the army was dissolved, the other soldiers became angry. So the situation became worst. Here the incident was completed on 8th April. Earlier we have understood that our Indian soldiers denied to use cartridge. So both the incident are required to be connected with each other. The other leaders who were going to lead the revolt, they were Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Dada Kunwar Singh, Nawab of Awadh, Tatya Tope, another efficient military commander Rango Babji, Azimullah Khan, a lawyer and journalist. So these were the major well-known leaders of this Indian side of revolt, and they made a plan. The plan was to spread lotus and roti within the people as the symbol of revolt. Civilians were given lotus, soldiers were given roti. So the symbols were circulated. The planning was fixed. 31st May 1857, the revolt must start. So Hindu and Muslim priest, means the religion is not a barred. Remember, the division of the religion is not felt here. All religions people unitedly fought against the Britishers. That I mean to say. Auliyas means the Muslims and Hindu Brahmins means the Pandits. They decided to work as a messenger of the revolt, and the revolt started to spread. Means the message of revolt started to spread. So as the martyrdom of Mangal Pandey became the biggest reason of the blow, and soldiers left towards Delhi. The soldiers of British Army, the band soldiers of British Army went to Delhi from Meerut of Uttar Pradesh, 11th May early morning. They were able to capture the Delhi. They convinced 80 years old Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, who was in power of that area, to accept the leadership. And on their words, after lots of the consultations, Bahadur Shah accepted, and the other soldiers started to get the news that the Bahadur Shah has adopted the leadership of the revolt in the Indian side. And many regions means the area started to join the revolt. So now you understand very well that just by the name of the Bahadur Shah, Indian soldiers started to join. Other people from other regions started to join. Means the name of the Bahadur Shah was great for them. Okay. Now we are discussing the other person. He was Nana Sahib Peshwa. Actually, he was also another leader of the revolt of Indian side. Kanpur entered the revolt 4th June 1857. In that situation, people of the Indian side were more infused with the energy due to the Nana Sahib Peshwa took the control of the Kanpur side revolt. So here some brave soldiers, brave commanders made the whole revolt energetic. In Kanpur, there was a plan to attack over a area of Britishers. It was known as entrenchment. After 22 days long siege, the Britishers were bound to surrender due to the shortage of food and water. So now you understand that they conquered Delhi, they conquered Kanpur. In Bihar, small region of Jagdishpur near Patna, Kunwar Singh was the Jagirdar, the landlord of that area, 70 years old. The important thing is, he took the control of revolt in his hands because he had also lost his area to the Britishers. So he decided to fought. He decided to fight against Britishers, and he fought very bravely. The one incident I am indicating here, when in war he got one fire to his arm, he was injured, and the poison was started to enter his body. It was necessary to leave. So to stop to poison spread in body, he cut his hand from elbow. See the bravery. We are unable to pinch the pin in our body. Selfly we are not allowed. And he cut his hand. How much he was brave. He did. And he fought up to his last breath. But main thing is, he freed his region from the hands of Britishers before he took his last breath. That is the great thing. See, how much long the revolt continued is not important, because the Indians were fighting against the one of the world's greatest power in the kingdom. So how the Indians fought bravely is the important story which I am describing here. The another story of warrior queen Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. Actually, the reason was due to the annexation policy. Britishers not accepted his husband's decision to adopt relative's kid and declare him as heir for the throne. Thereafter he died. But as the Britishers encroached their area, annexed their area, Queen of Jhansi decided to took the weapon against Britishers, and she joined the revolt. She was one of the most skillful leader. She was very brave leader. Even the enemy commanders were admiring her bravery. She had also prepared an army of women. In those days, the women army was set by her. That is the important thing, to fight against Britishers. They fought bravely against Britishers, and lastly, by the treachery, she was caught. She escaped towards the river Kalpi, and on the river bank of Kalpi, in the fight, she lost her lives. But the important thing, that the enemy British officers, commanders were praising her bravery. Queen Lakshmi Bai, according to them, Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest warrior women commander in revolt 1857. That is the important thing which I am describing here. Right, my friends? Okay. The next one is the topic of Commander Tatya Tope. That is, I am discussing now. Actually, three persons: Nana Sahib Peshwa, Tatya Tope, and Rani Lakshmi Bai. These three were in childhood, played together, and as time passed, reached to the different positions. Now, he became, I am talking about the Tatya Tope now, he became a commander. He was a skillful warrior. He fought with the Nana Sahib Peshwa in the side of the Indian soldiers. For the Indian soldiers, they both fought together against Britishers. He played an important role. For 2 years, after 1857, he continued to take the commandership of the revolt. No one in his time had fought many battles what he did. So understand the bravery of that person, how he fought very well. Now remember that he was also caught by Britishers by treachery, and it is presumed that Tatya Tope spent his last days of his life in Panchmahal district of Gujarat in 1858. He stayed there December, the month I am saying. He had escaped to the forest of Vasta when being chased by British army. So remember that our commanders were capable, were fighting, were brave to fight. As the revolt continued, the soldiers from different area of northern India started to enter. From North India, the regions now I am saying: Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh, and Gorakhpur. These are the names given in the textbook. I repeat, in North India, which areas I am saying? Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh, and Gorakhpur. So the 6 places the laterally joined. In Rajputana means Rajasthan, Ajmer, Nasirabad and Abu, the Shihor district today, also joined. From central part of India, Gwalior, Mandsaur, Indore and Dhar, all regions are known as Madhya Pradesh today. Also entered in southern part, now I am talking Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Nargad is given here, but some people are saying as a Nargund, and Dharwad. These places became the center of revolt in southern part of India. Right, my friends? So here I discussed with you today a revolt in India, wherever it was spread and who were their main soldiers, main incidents, main commanders of revolt in all over India. Okay, my friends?